Because it's too dangerous. I said, I'm the smartest guy in marketing, and they said, we don't care. Okay.
How do you feel about it?
I hate the red flag. It means we can't go in the water. This is not the flag of capitalism. This is the flag of oppression, and trying to think of the right word that really sums it all up. Extortion. That's what I meant to say. It means that there's a riptide, and I don't see a riptide. Freaking Jamaica. You're working too hard. I'm here to help you. Okay, I'll stop. I'll stop.
Okay.
Hey guys.
Hello.
Where's Lindsay?
Oh, I don't know. I thought she was
way
here.
to go. You're a great friend.
I thought she was here.
You're on candid camera.
Oh. Hi.
Don't touch the couch. What she's doing. I got in trouble for helping. The lifeguard said it should be better tomorrow, Thursday.
Okay. So hopefully it dies down today.
But I trust you. I don't trust him.
What if there wasn't a flag anymore?
It is.
But what if it was gone?
It's like 4 times.
I mean, it could, I don't know.
So you work with the color flag that's there.
They were telling us at the front that there's a beach 20 minutes away that you get to it through Margaritaville. Is that a nice beach?
It is very nice.
Did you like it better than this beach?
I work here. That's not fair. We have the Sunrise Beach on that end, but I don't know what it's like right now. But it's the same. Well, you can try the pool.
You're doing amazing.
Pool.
Are there a lot of jellyfish here right now?
Well, this is why we don't know that there is, but we're not saying that there isn't. So this is why we would not want.
You should be a politician.
Alright, I'm gonna go.
I would vote for you.
Thanks.
I wouldn't know if you're telling me the truth or not, but I would vote for you.
Oh my god, I have
I'm just kidding. We're posting messages and polls, and we're asking you guys to tell us all the time, like, what do you want to know? What is it that we can teach you, train you? Am I lying right now?
You're not lying.
Are you not
You're
lying?
telling the truth.
People give us all sorts of things, like how do I handle sales call better? How do I run paid ads, retargeting, all this stuff. One of the biggest questions though that we get commonly is, guys, I feel like my business solely depends on me.
100%.
Depends on me. I'm the one main driver of revenue. And really, how have you guys set it up? Because they see us here in places like this, moments when we're not working on a business and our business doesn't decline, it actually grows. We should talk about that because it's one of the things we really focused on this year. How do we implement systems and people so that our business is pretty secure without us?
Yeah, well, here's the thing. Yesterday, we had an amazing day in sales. We're here in Jamaica, working with our team, recapping on the year, planning next year, just enjoying. We're all wearing swim shorts. Taylor's got his farmer tan tank on. But we did 60 grand in revenue yesterday, and we're all here. None of us are on the phones. First thing I think you have to have is a system that consistently brings you opportunity. If you are out there and you are hunting every single day, the day that you go missing, the day that you take off, is when the flow stops. And so one of the things that we focus on is how to build that system of consistent opportunity. Whether you're in Jamaica or you're going to Turks or you're taking Christmas off, whatever it is, you still have opportunity coming into your business, so you never starve. Number 2, you have to have the fulfillment side. You have to have the process and the system. I think here's another massive mistake that people make is, even if they dial in their process for getting that consistent opportunity, they are doing so much for so many people that they have fulfillment problems, right? They're not able to package their delivery and essentially create a machine like we have. So Alex, what would that look like for somebody?
One is unplugging from you having to deliver everything and thinking about leverage. How do I deliver in a leveraged way? Some people can't do that because they're still working either one-on-one or they're trading time for money. And if you're not actively working with the client, then they're not getting results. And so you need to create a systemized and a leveraged way of delivering your expertise in a way that they can actually take action on that isn't dependent on your time.
What happens here is like it gives time back to you, so that when you get your business to a place where maybe you're doing 50 grand a month or 100 grand a month, at that point, you can start bringing people in to replace you. And if you don't have the systems for each part of your business, one, the systems to consistently bring you opportunity, and two, the systems for your fulfillment, then you'll never be able to bring someone in to replicate those processes and systems in your business so that you can be removed.
So this is like 30,000 feet in the clouds. Bring it down to like, you know, like Bob the Builder level, where you like know what to do. You know what I mean? You want me to tackle that one?
Hit it, dude.
When we first started, we didn't know how to do this, and I don't think that a lot of people do. So just bringing it in close to home. It's like we're obsessed with digital media, and we want to watch all the YouTube videos. We want to watch all the training we can, but sometimes all it takes is pulling out a piece of paper, like an actual piece of paper, and writing down what are the things that currently depend on me that if I disappeared for a month, my business would die because of. And then bringing people in and start getting rid of those things. 2 years ago, I was doing all of the sales. That was all dependent on me. You were running all the ads, we were doing all the fulfillment. And we really had to sit down and list all of that out and look at like, how can we bring people in who can take care of this stuff so that we can do the other things?
Yeah, and what you'll realize a lot of times is that the stuff that you write down on that piece of paper is not even that important. Like nobody has to do it. You actually just stop doing it. I think every time when we've come to this place and we're trying to figure out where we're at in our business, it all for us has started with the numbers. What is our actual revenue goal? What do we have to hit? When we actually audit and we match things up to that, it's like, does this thing that I'm doing right now contribute to that number? And a lot of the times it doesn't. When we focus on the numbers and a certain amount of people that we should be talking to, we wipe everything away. That's when we were able to hit our goals and get to our revenue, and which gives us the ability and buys us the ability to have time, build systems, and bring on amazing people that can replace us in those things.
Hey, Paige, ask. She needs a ride.
No,
You sure?
right there. Thanks. Yes.
You sure?
Yes, thanks.
We're benevolent humans. We
You're
care.
what? Benevolent?
We care about the culture.
Benevolent?
Yes.
No. Benevolent?
Benevolent. That's what I said.
You said benevolent.
Say benevolent. All right. Benevolent. Benevolent.
So we got Glenn here. He's Canadian.
It's my birthday.
How does it feel to be Canadian?
102.
He's Canadian.
I don't know. How's it feel to be American?
Badass.
So the
amazing.
opposite of that. Just being honest.
Oh, that was good. That was not scripted. Life-changing experience. I can't believe we saw turtles being released into their natural habitat. It was life-changing. Wouldn't you say, Liv?
Definitely. I'll remember that.
The turtles were cool. I like the turtles.
They were awesome.
I feel like I'm a new man. I've learned a lot of life lessons from watching that turtle.
Did you enjoy the turtles?
I don't care about turtles. You know what I care about? Knowledge. That's why I'm reading this book. It's more important than turtles. I could buy all the turtles I want, because of this. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, we want you to get incredible value from these episodes. We really do. That's why we do them.
And if you want actionable information that can help you actually grow your business without all the fluff, without all the stuff, without all the BS, then what you should do, what you should absolutely do, is subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna push Taylor.
All right, we want your feedback, for real. If it helps you, if you think that we're awesome,
If you love it, tell us. If you hate it, don't tell us.
tell us anyways. Feedback means the world to us. We do this, choking up. We do this for you
You're
guys.
such a liar. That is
We do this for you. I think a fly got on my throat.
Zika. Zika.
Shame. You know what's good when Zach's laughing and he can't hold the camera still?
Zach, stop laughing so we can actually film this.
All right, guys, we do this for you. All right, we want your feedback. If you love it, hate it, it means the world to us, for real. Hearing from you guys.
If you want to elevate it, I thought we were getting like a rhyme thing going.
No. Click the little subscribe button as well, because when we release these, you get notified if you're subscribed.
Look at that big wave right there.
Hit the subscribe button, we'll notify you. Leave a comment below. If there's something you want us to teach about, we probably know it. So just comment, leave a review. Dating advice.
Money advice. Thank you for spending your time hanging out with us and just putting up with our craziness and all the stuff that we have to put out. And we hope you guys enjoy it. So we'd love to hear more from you.